Alright guys, welcome back. We're here with another one of our white glove service cars. This is a 1985 Mercedes Benz 500SL European market car. We just brought this to a local Cars and Coffee here in La Cañada to show it around, get people's reactions on it. Just wanted to do a quick review of the car, first time driving experience, and kind of go through the whole car. So let's take a look. So first off, starting from the outside, you have the black paint. This is original paint. It's a one owner car. This car has been garaged and maintained very, very well. You can see all the chrome pieces, all the chrome trims and everything, still shining bright. If you open the door here, you'll notice some usual wrinkling just due to age. This happens to all Mercedes. If you take a peek under the covers, the seats themselves are in pristine condition. These covers have been on literally from day one to protect it. A Nardi wood grain steering wheel on it, which really brings the interior together, and it's an automatic transmission. It shifts very smoothly. The mileage on the car is 137,000 miles. Again, it is a one owner car. This was purchased at Mercedes in Miami. Coming around to the front, we have the European bumpers, and if you take a peek underneath the license plate, you'll see an original AMG spoiler. You have the glass headlights. The wheels on the car, so when purchased new, this had BBS mesh wheels on here. These were changed to newer model Mercedes wheels by the current owner. Unfortunately, the BBS wheels are no longer available. One minor detail, a little flaw over here, you might see the outer edge of the tire is worn out. That's due to the alignment. This car does need a quick alignment. It does pull to the right very slightly, but it's no big deal whatsoever. It could be fixed really quick. This is a clean title car, no prior damages, no frame damage or anything like that. We could take a peek on the passenger side over here. Again, flawless seats underneath, no rips or tears. This is just protective cover. Some very minor scratches here and there, but for original paint, I mean, this is fantastic. And then come to the back, we have again the rear lip, stock mufflers. Let's go ahead and start the car up and we'll open the engine bay, see how it runs. Pop the hood over here. The engine runs flawlessly. Like I just mentioned, it had a recent $6,000 full tune-up and everything. With receipts, you can check out the receipts and the photos. Car doesn't overheat, it runs well. Starts up first try every time. All right, so now that you saw the exterior, come along with us for a quick shakedown. Let's see how the car drives. All right, so we're just started heading out. As you can see, all the gauges are normal. The stereo is an aftermarket stereo. It does not have the original one. Idle is very smooth. The engine runs smooth. I mean, you would have to see it in person and drive it to know what I'm talking about, but this is very well kept 1985 Mercedes.